Okay, our second tutorial today, dividing decimals by whole numbers. And we're going to follow in Sal's footsteps here, use the strategy he talked about. It's a good strategy. So our problem is 8 and 4/10 divided by 7. So let's go ahead and think of 8 and 4/10 as a collection of tenths, right? If they're just one thing, if they're just tenths, then we can divide those tenths up by 7. So we know we have 4/10, right? That part's easy. The real question is, how many tenths are in 8 ones? Well, if 1 is equal to 10 tenths, right? Then 8 ones is equal to 10 times 8, right? Or 80 tenths, right? 10 tenths for every 1. So that's 80 tenths. So this number here is actually can be thought of as 84 tenths. Oh, I can't write very well. 84 tenths. So now we can divide the 84 tenths by 7. All right, so I'm going to go over here. 84 tenths divided by 7. Well, because we've been doing reflex all year, we know that this is actually a fact family now, right? We know that 7 times 12 is 84. So we can just write 12 as our answer. Now, if we didn't know, as our almost answer, if we didn't know that 84 divided by 7 was 12, well, then we could use partial quotients because we've learned that as well. 84 divided by 7, right? So let's see, there are at least 10 sevens in 84, right? So 10 times 7 is 70. Subtract that away, and that leaves us with 14. And there are, exactly 2. That's perfect. Exactly 2 sevens in 14. So sorry, I'm trying to think with my Mrs. Gironis talking very loudly behind me. So 2 times 7 is 14. That leaves us with no remainder. So now we have our 2 partial quotients, 10 and 2. We're going to add them up, and we're going to get 12. And we got 12 already. So now we just have to think about 12 what's, right? Because, again, we're not dividing 84 by 7. We're dividing 8 and 4/10 by 7. This was 84 tenths, right? Oh. This was 84 tenths. So this is 12 tenths. We divided 84 tenths by 7. We got 12 tenths. 7 groups of 12 tenths. And 12 tenths can be written as 12 tenths. 12 tenths. That's 1 and 2 tenths. 10 tenths in the 1 and 2 tenths left over. 1 and 2 tenths. Can you see the decimal there? Let me write that again. That wasn't very neat. Sorry about that. Let me write that again. That's 1 and 2 tenths. That's 12 tenths, right? There's 10 tenths in the 1 whole. And then there's 2 tenths over here. That's 12 tenths. And those are both, I like those. I like both of those as well. I'm trying to write tenths. I'm going to stop trying to write tenths. All right. I hope this helps. I can't wait to see the rest of your work. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you don't have questions for me, but you do have questions, you can watch a video or use a hint. Don't forget that button right there. Let's see if we were right. Oh my gosh, I don't know what these lines are. So let's get out of here quick. 1 and 2 tenths. Are we right? Okay, good. Let me know if you need help. Okay, bye.